Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to come on today to just basically have a bit of a chat and kind of a catch up and just sort of update you guys with what is going on in my day-to-day life at the moment. It's very exciting stuff. I've been doing a lot more of my day-to-day stuff on my stories on Instagram and Facebook. I will link my Instagram down below. Up until now, I think I've just had my Etsy Instagram link down below, but I'm going to link my personal Instagram as well, so if you want to come and follow that, because that's really where most of the action happens. I share everything on there, and yeah, to be honest, I kind of think I'm just going to more stick to that rather than my official business one. So yeah, it doesn't make sense for me to have like various different accounts, so that is where everything happens. So yeah, if you want those kind of rambles and day-to-day stuff, there's a lot of rambling going on, like a lot of just random chats and things I'm doing with my day. The majority of the time I'm just talking about the gym and walking to and from the gym and giving workout reports and things like that. So if you're interested in those kind of things, then go ahead and follow me. I probably am going to be trying to do more kind of vlogs on here because I want to kind of, you know, share various things in more than one place. And yeah, it probably makes more sense to do videos in like a vlog format as well, so that they can stay up there and don't necessarily just disappear every day. But yeah, I'm a big fan of like the kind of candid recording and just, you know, in the moment when I feel like saying something, I just say it. So that's why my stories work well for me. But yeah, I do want to start doing more of this. So yeah, nothing major going on except that. Lots of gym time, which is really good. I posted a transformation before and after picture on my Instagram yesterday, which I'm very proud of. I have come a long way in 6 weeks. I've been spending a lot of time at the gym and I have made a lot of progress, so I'm super happy with that. And yeah, I actually have been thinking the last few days that I want to put some money I have set aside at the moment towards getting the starter kit for doing my own acrylic nails. That's something I've wanted to do for a couple of months at least. I used to love getting my nails done, and yeah, I mean, I've liked doing my own nails with just varnish since I was in school, so this is what, like 10-12 years ago, and I always loved doing that. Then I worked in hospitality for 6 years, so I wasn't allowed to have them done. Excuse my landlord just mowing the lawn there. I'm gonna close my window. Okay, so anyway, yeah, where was I? So yeah, I worked in hospitality for 6 years, so I wasn't allowed to wear varnish or have my nails done or any of that. And then I did change jobs right at the end of my hospitality career to a place where they were kind of okay with it. So I was having my nails done then, and then lockdown happened, so obviously I couldn't get them done anymore. And since then I haven't had them done again, because it's kind of one of those things that obviously you don't have to, but it's like once you get them done, you want to keep getting them done. So I didn't want to start having them done again if I wasn't going to be able to afford having them done regularly. Now, I can technically afford to have them done regularly. I do have the money, I just can't justify that cost on a regular basis. I don't know, it hurts too much. I can't be paying that much money every month to get my nails done. So I figured, why not do them myself? You know, I need to learn how to do them. Obviously it's a very kind of like skilled art, if you will, but I'm generally quite good at that kind of thing, as in like I love arts and crafts, I love doing things with my hands, and I'm decent with makeup as well. I just don't wear it that often because it's not practical for me and because I generally prefer looking more natural, but my nails are a different story. That's very, very different. So I have been wanting to start my own acrylic nails, and that's the kind of like backstory for that. So the other things I have going on in terms of saving goals are I am getting my license, my driving license, in the next couple of months. I've got an intensive driving course next month in October for 5 days. Hopefully I'll have my license by the end of November. So then obviously I need to buy a car. So that is one of my current savings goals, along with a proper camera as well. But right now the order of priority goes nails, car, camera. So the last few days I've just been deciding whether car or nails came first. Nails will only set me back money wise by a certain amount, so I can buy them and then I'll be able to get a car maybe a month later than I would have been able to. Whereas if I wait and get the nail stuff afterwards, then it means I would have to wait several months, get the car, and then get the nail stuff. So anyway, I have pretty much decided I'm going to get the nail stuff first. I am going to sleep on it probably till tomorrow, because the account that I kept the money in, it takes like 24 hours for the money to be withdrawn. So that gives me a bit more time just to think on it, but I'm pretty sure I've decided after several days of hard deliberating. So yeah, I've basically just been looking at different things and like different products that I'm going to buy. Annoyingly, the majority of the things that I want to get are in America. The shipping costs are relatively high. Obviously I can get them sent over, which is good. It's good that I still can. But for example, one of the things I want to get is the Young Nails Starter Acrylic Core Kit. I can't remember the exact name, but I know it's the core kit. And yeah, the annoying thing is that on the American website, it's $104, right? And in the UK, it's £175. So that works out at more than double the cost. And they do not ship from the American website. They'll only ship from the English one. At least it's not in Ireland. That's like £275. I don't understand why it's so much more expensive. Like, it's borderline scamming, but in my opinion. But anyway, whatever. So I'm kind of looking at shipping forwarding services, but I'm not really sure about them. I know of Shipito or Ship It To or whatever it's called, and I've heard of a couple of others, but I hear very, very mixed reviews from people. And I'm also not sure about like sort of prohibited items and things. And obviously in nail kits, there's like various liquids and chemicals and things. So yeah, I don't really want to spend all that money and try and save some and then end up losing like way more. So I'm not really sure what I'm going to do yet. I need to figure that out. If anyone has any recommendations for shipping forwarding services from the US to the UK, I'll be very grateful, because there are a couple of American companies that I want to order from, and the company I looked at, Ship It To, have a consolidating service, so I could have like ordered multiple things and they would put them all together in one package and send them to me. And even the shipping from them is way cheaper than the shipping from the companies individually, but then obviously they're kind of a middleman, so if something goes wrong, I'm probably not going to be able to get my money back or get compensated. So that is my kind of dilemma. I'm going to keep researching, I'm going to keep refining exactly what it is I want to buy, and yeah, but I'm super excited. It's something, as I say, that I've wanted to do for ages. I've missed having my nails done so much. I know it'll take me some time to kind of practice and actually kind of get to a place where they look good, but yeah, it's something very exciting, and it's something I think that I will enjoy doing some videos about as well, because for me it perfectly combines my sort of enjoyment of like arts and crafts and beauty as well. It's like the perfect combo of the two, where, as I say, like journaling alone and makeup alone don't really kind of do it for me, so I think this is like the perfect kind of middle ground. So yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to that. I'm kind of thinking like it might be nice to do some like ASMR nail art videos. I don't know how that would work out. Let me know if that sounds like something you'd be interested in. I have a newfound love for ASMR. I never thought I'd be one of those people who liked it, but in the last couple of months I came across Julia's channel called It's Blitz, and her ASMR is just, oh my god, it's amazing. Like, it's addictive. She's so good, and it has the craziest effect on me. It's like when someone messes with your hair and you kind of go into a trance. It's like that, but like even more. It's so good. So yeah, that's something I'd be interested in doing. I probably need a better microphone to do that. But yes, anywho, I'm probably going to leave this video here because I could ramble on all day if I'm left to it. I do need to leave for the gym in about 10 minutes or so, so I'm gonna go and get ready to do that. But I just wanted to come on here and update you guys. I should be editing this video later today, so hopefully it will actually be up today. It's Tuesday. I was going to film a plan with me yesterday, but I just decided against it. Yeah, I kind of should have done it, but I just feel like this week there weren't sort of enough things going on that were very interesting that I wanted to like share. I just didn't really feel like sort of doing it this week. So yeah, hopefully next week I will be doing a plan with me again. And yeah, because I am loving my September kits. Like, they are super cute. Like, it looks really nice. So yeah, if you haven't picked up some kits already, well, September's probably a bit late, but you can get October's kits. They're really cute as well. Links in the description. You can use code YouTube for 10% off, and then I also know where you have come from. But yeah, I'm gonna leave you guys to it. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. If you have enjoyed this video, please remember to hit that subscribe button and give my video a like as well, and comment if you feel like it too. Otherwise, I will thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.